Hello, my friends. So, if you are looking for a summer bronzing drop, this is from Essence, you guys. So, I'm gonna try this out today on my face. I don't have on any makeup, I just put some concealer underneath my eyes, and that was just it. And it's the Essence Drops of Sunshine Bronzing Drop, and it hydrates and caring. So, this is what it is. I have mine. Is there? I'm trying to see if there's a number here, but I don't. But this one is only 25 mils, so it's not a big bronzing drop. So here, I am going to bronze up my face with this drop. Just a little bit of it all over my face for the summer. So if you're looking for something that are affordable and you're looking for to have your face bronze, this is a bronzer that I am going to try out today on my face. So I'm just gonna use my brush here and make sure that I tap it on my hand, so and just apply it to the face. No foundation on, just this drop and some concealer. So you can see here, this is how it look. So I am just going to contour my cheek a bit. So if you're looking for an affordable bronzing drops, this is from Essence. My skin look glowy. With this drop, so I only apply some concealer under my eyes with this drop and some powder to set my under eye and my face, and also a bit of blush. So this is a really affordable bronzing drops, and they said that it do keep your face hydrated, you guys. So this is it. And this is great for the summer anyway. It's great for the summer. And if you don't like a lot of makeup, this is something that is great for people who doesn't like a lot of makeup. I just want to say thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next upload. God bless you. Bye for now.